C'est quoi ça? Truc de chauve-souris?
Peut-être.
Ouais, c'est du guano de chauve-souris, ça, je pense.
Hi there! Just in time for Halloween, I have an announcement to make. We do have bats. So if you want bats too, and believe me, you do want them, then keep watching. We have a beginner's guide to bats. Let's get to know them better. And at the end of the video, I will do a quiz. So pay attention. And look how cute they are. Hey, did you know, well, I didn't know, but do you know that there are over 20 species in Brittany and that they can live up to 25 years? Female bats give birth in large groups. They have only one baby bat. Sometimes they have twins. And they do breastfeed. Of course they are. They're mammals, but I just keep forgetting it. And best thing ever, they eat 3,000 mosquitoes per night. That means 17 mosquito bites per night avoided for me. Well, that is enough reason to want bats. But hey, there's much more. Bats are essential for a healthy ecosystem. If you want to have a healthy garden, you need bats. They are needed for pollination, just like bees. If you don't want them in your house, then get them their own house, a bat house. You can build one as a fun do-it-yourself project. Or you can buy them. It's like bat real estate. Links for building and buying are in the description below. Make sure to install your bat house on a sunny spot, 6 to 8 hours sun exposure, and high enough so your cat can't reach it. Bat poo is called guano. Guano makes a great fertilizer for your organic garden. Guano can contain histoplasmosis. Don't worry, it's not dangerous for an average healthy human. Just be careful not to breathe in lots of dust when you're handling guano. So, now you know everything about bats. No, not everything, but you know a lot now. And I hope you'll adopt a bat. Let me know in the comments and keep watching for updates on our bat. Happy Halloween!